In this question, we have to find correct statement regarding given alcohol. Now, this alcohol is having two type of OH group. Now, this alcohol is attached with 3 degree carbon. So, this is 3 degree alcohol, and OH group attached at 5 carbon is attached with 2 degree carbon. Hence, it is 2 degree alcohol. So, two types of alcohol are present in this molecule. Now, if we take primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, now in primary alcohol, 1 electron donating group is present. In secondary alcohol, 2 electron donating groups are present. While in tertiary alcohol, 3 electron donating groups are present. With increasing electron donating group, with increasing plus I effect, acidic strength decreases. So among 1, 2 and 3, first is most acidic, then second, and then third. Acidic strength decreases with plus I effect. Now if we compare basic strength, now basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect. As number of plus I group increases, basic strength also increases. So among primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, 3 degree alcohol is most basic, then 2 degree and then 1 degree. Now OH at C2 carbon is 3 degree alcohol, and 3 degree alcohol is more basic than 2 degree alcohol. So OH at C2 is more basic than that of C5. So option A is correct. Second option, OH at C2 is more acidic than C5. This is wrong, because C5 is more acidic, because 1 degree alcohol is more acidic than 2 degree than 3 degree. So correct answer is, in this question we have to identify B and C in following conversion reaction. So first cyclohexene is taken. Now cyclohexene on reacting with H2SO4 will act as nucleophile, donate its pair of electron to H positive, so that carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation will further act as nucleophile, and now this carbocation will combine with another molecule of alkene. Now alkene will act as nucleophile, so new carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation will eliminate hydrogen and it will form alkene after even elimination. So now this alkene is formed as a product. Now reacting alkene with osmium tetroxide followed by acidic water will produce diol. So syndiol is formed. So after reaction with osmium tetroxide, a syndiol is formed as a product. Now this syndiol on reacting with water will give pinacolone rearrangement. Now this is condition of pinacolone rearrangement. So in first step carbocation is formed. So carbocation is formed. Now this ring will expand to give comparatively more stable carbocation, which will be stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen. So now 6-membered ring will be converted into 7-membered ring. So it will be converted to converted to 7-membered ring. This now this ring is stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen. Now H proton is removed and one ring will be converted to 7-membered from 6-membered. So now this is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is C. In this reaction we have to find end product for the given sequence of reaction. Now alkyne is treated with selenium oxide. Selenium oxide is non-selective reagent and it will react with variety of molecule to form various type of product. On reacting with alkyne, it will form diketone. Now this diketone on reacting with two equivalents of Grignard reagent will form pinacol. Now this alcohol is formed, CH3, 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 OH. Now this molecule is known as pinacol. Now pinacol on acidic medium, first after protonation OH will be removed and carbocation, and this carbocation is formed as an intermediate. Now this carbocation will be more stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen to create positive charge on this carbon. Methyl group is shifted to this carbon. Now CH3, 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 C, OH, positive charge, and CH3. Now oxygen will donate pair of electron to carbon, and finally tertiary butyl, C double bond O, CH3 is formed. So this reaction is case of pinacolone rearrangement. Now this molecule ketone is known as pinacolone. So this reaction is pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement, and hence final product is pinacolone, and correct answer is B. In this reaction we have to identify final product of the reaction. Now this case of pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement, pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement. Now in this reaction, first step, protonation takes place and carbocation is formed at more stable site. Now this oxygen will donate pair of electron to hydrogen, and formation of carbocation involved at that carbon which is comparatively more stable. So now this carbocation is stabilized by resonance of two phenyl group. Now CH3 will migrate, because after migration of CH3, carbocation formed will be stabilized by alpha effect of OH group. So now CH3 will migrate, and after migration C6H5, C6H5, CH3, CH3, OH, positive charge. Now oxygen will donate its lone pair, and finally C6H5, C6H5, CH3, and C double bond O, CH3 is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B. Acetone can be converted to pinacol by using magnesium metal with mercury and water. Magnesium is electropositive metal, donate its pair of electron and converted to cation Mg2 positive plus electron. Now in presence of free electron, reaction takes place via single electron transfer mechanism. In presence of free electron, this is converted to radical anion. Now radical anion is formed. Now this radical anion will combine with each other. Now radical anion, two radical anion will combine together to form salt with magnesium. Now these two radical will shift to form dianion salt with magnesium. Now this salt is formed. Now this salt, on further reacting with water, will convert it to pinacol. Now this molecule is formed, which is commonly known as pinacol, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find most stable intermediate during conversion of pinacol to pinacolone. So to understand most stable intermediate, first we have to draw its mechanism. Now this pinacol molecule in acidic medium gets protonated first to form oxonium ion. Now oxygen having positive charge is comparatively unstable, so water molecule is removed and it will convert it to carbocation. Now this carbocation is formed, which can be stabilized more if alpha effect of oxygen stabilize carbocation. So for further stabilization methyl shift takes place, and after methyl shift we are getting a carbocation which can be stabilized by alpha effect. So this carbocation formed will be stabilized by alpha effect, double bond OH, positive C, CH3 whole thrice. Out of given carbocations, out of very given intermediates 1, 2, 3 and fourth is most stable carbocation, because now this is stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen. Finally H proton will be removed and this molecule will be converted to CH3CO, C, CH3 whole thrice. So this is the final product. Now out of given various intermediate 1, 2, 3 and fourth is most stable, so correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify product of given reaction. So first of all, this compound alkyl halide during aqueous NaOH in presence of high temperature, first it will convert it to carbocation. So a carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation will rearrange to comparatively more stable carbocation. So now this carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation will abstract hydrogen from its alpha position to form alkene via even mechanism. So 2-methyl butene is formed as ultimate product. 2-methyl butene is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is A. So A is major product of the reaction. In this question diol is treated with H2SO4. So under acidic condition OH gets protonated to form OH2 positive, CH, CH, CH3, OH. Now water will be eliminated, and after removal of water will be converted to CH3, CH positive, CH, OH, CH3. Now this carbocation can be further stabilized more by hydride shift. So after hydride shift, CH3, CH2, C, OH positive, CH3 will be formed. Now this is stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen. So after removal of H positive, it will finally convert into ketone. First oxonium ion is formed. Now this molecule will eliminate H positive, and after removal of H positive, finally CH3, CH2, CO, CH3, 2-butanone is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find product of the reaction when this pinacol molecule is treated with concentrated H2SO4. So in presence of concentrated H2SO4, OH is protonated first. Now this will convert it to oxonium ion. Now both form same carbocation, so protonation can take place at any of the carbon. Now water molecule is released and form carbocation. Now this carbocation may be further stabilized by alpha effect of OH group. So phenyl will migrate at adjacent position forming carbocation, which will be stabilized by alpha effect. So pH and OH positive charge. Now this is stabilized by alpha effect of OH and finally converted to carbonyl group. So both phenyl group are attached at same carbon and carbonyl group is attached at adjacent position. So correct answer is C. In this question we have to find final product of pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. In first step, OH gets protonated to form oxonium ion. So OH2 positive oxonium ion is formed in first step. Now water molecule is released to form carbocation. Now this carbocation may further stabilized by alpha effect of oxygen. So alkyl shift takes place and now ring will be converted to 6-membered ring via ring expansion. Now one ring is having still 5 atoms while other ring will be converted to 6-membered ring. Now OH and this positive charge is stabilized by alpha effect. So one ring is having 5 atoms and other ring is having 6 atoms. So this is formed. Now this will be stabilized by alpha effect. After deprotonation, carbonyl compound is formed and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find final product of cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane 1,2-diol. So molecule given is having cis configuration at first and second position. Now in first step OH gets protonated and oxonium ion is formed. In second step now water will be removed which involve formation of carbocation. Now this carbocation will further rearrange to stabilized by alpha effect. Now during migration or during shifting, that group will migrate preferentially which is NT2 leaving group. Now this CS3 is NT2 leaving group OH2 positive. So CS3 will migrate, due to which carbocation formed will be stabilized further by alpha effect of OH group. Now this is stabilized by alpha effect. Lone pair electrons are shifted and which will generate carbonyl compound. So CH3 C double bond O is formed as a final product and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find product of pinacolone reaction. Now molecule is pinacol having diol. In acidic medium it will donate lone pair of electron to H positive ion to form oxonium ion first. So CH OH CH OH2 positive will be formed Now this oxonium ion, after removal of water, will form carbocation. So now carbocation CH, OH, CH positive, and this carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation can be further more stabilized due to alpha effect. So after, to gain stability by alpha effect, it will shift its hydrogen to form COH positive, CH2 and cyclopentane. Now this cation is stabilized by alpha effect. To gain stability further, it will remove H positive ion and it will finally convert it to C double bond O, CH2 and cyclopentane ring. So now this is the final product and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find final product of the reaction. Now this molecule is having two type of OH group. Now protonation takes place at that carbon preferentially which form more stable carbocation. So if carbocation is formed in this place, now this will be stabilized by resonance as well as 3 alpha hydrogen of methyl group. While if carbocation is formed in this carbon, then it will be stabilized by resonance plus 2 alpha hydrogen. So carbocation will be more stable on right carbon. So MeOH2 positive is formed in first step. Now OH2 positive is leaving group and water molecule is eliminated. So after removal of water molecule, now this carbocation is formed which is stabilized by resonance as well as alpha, if alpha hydrogen of methyl group. Now this carbocation may further stabilized if positive charge is stabilized by alpha effect of OH group. To create alpha effect, ethyl group will migrate to a distant position and forming carbocation which will be further stabilized by alpha effect. So now this ET, Me, OH and positive, now this positive charge will further stabilized by alpha effect and finally H proton is removed, and after removal of H positive, carbonyl group is created. So final product is Me, ET and C double bond O, and hence correct answer is D. Now this position is having methyl group, so all the molecule methyl group is attached at this carbon. So correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify missing reactant and reagent in the given reaction to form propane 1-ol. So if CH3Br is taken in first step, now CH3Br is X and after reaction with magnesium it will be converted to CH3MgBr. So CH3MgBr is Y, Grignard reagent. Now this Grignard reagent will further react with epoxide. Now it will react with epoxide. CH3 negative will act as nucleophile and as nucleophile donate pair of electron, carbon oxygen, electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So CH3, CH2, CH2, O negative is formed, O negative, MgBr salt is formed. Now treating this compound with acidic water will finally produce CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So 1 degree alcohol is formed as a product and hence correct answer is B. In this reaction we have to find final product of the reaction. Now this reaction is the case of semi-pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement. Now in first step OH and CH2NH2 on reacting with NaNO2 or HCl, it will form HNO2 which will produce NO positive. So NH2 group on reacting with HNO2 or NO positive converted to diazonium. Now diazonium N2 positive is unstable and nitrogen gas is eliminated via formation of carbocation. So this carbocation is formed, OH, CH2 positive carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation may be further stabilized by alpha effect of OH group. So this will migrate in such a way that alpha effect is created in the molecule. So CH, CH2, and now this is the product form. Now ring will be expanded from 6 membered to 7 membered. Now this carbocation is stabilized by alpha effect. So in this case ring expansion takes place, because after ring expansion alpha effect is applicable. So now ring is converted to 7 membered. Now this OH positive lone pair are shifted towards positive charge. Finally H positive ion is removed, and now this molecule will be converted to 7 membered ketone, and hence correct answer is D. What will be the product of following given reaction? So now this reaction is the case of pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. So in first step, OH gets protonated to OH2 positive. Now water will be eliminated, so carbocation formed. Now this is carbocation formed. Now this carbocation may further stabilized by alpha effect of OH group. So hydrogen will migrate. Now this is the carbocation formed, which will stabilized by alpha effect. So after removal of H positive, now this carbonyl group is created, and hence option A is not correct, B is not correct. So correct answer is D. None of the given product is correct.